You'll remember in my opening video I told you about there's two apps. This is BNI Connect that we're using, and you've got BNI U, which is BNI University. So I'm not going to show you a tutorial on BNI University at this moment. This is the BNI Connect tutorial. But when you do a BNI University course, you will need to register it in the BNI Connect app. So the way you do that is you press slips, and then you press CEU. And you can see here there is a number of options for you to choose. So I maybe have done 1 hour of BNI podcasts. I need to just scroll my finger up on this bit to change the number of hours that are there. Usually it will tell you in the course how many to register for. If you go on a training course with BNI, they will tell you if you need to know. Either ask the person doing the training, ask somebody who attends the training, or ask the person who's in charge of training and development in your chapter. There's always a member who's in charge of that, and they will be able to help you to understand it. Again, it's not always that obvious with this one, so you just scroll your finger up to move it up, and scroll it down to move it down. I'm not going to register this because I don't want to mess up the points that I've put on by putting fake points on there. I like to be accurate, so I'll leave that, but what you do is just click confirm.